DoNotPay iLegal Services Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people think legal services are complicated and expensive, but the surprising truth is that DoNotPay leverages AI to make legal assistance fast, affordable and accessible. DoNotPay operates on a subscription model that per month, providing unlimited access to its suite of AI-driven legal tools. This includes services like contesting parking tickets, managing subscriptions, creating legal letters, and even handling small claims. For businesses, DoNotPay offers features like customer complaint automation and compliance tools, streamlining routine legal tasks without hiring a lawyer. For example, if you receive a parking ticket, you simply input the ticket details, and the AI generates a legally valid appeal letter customized to your situation. This saves time and significantly reduces the risk of errors compared to DI attempts. Similarly, startups can use DoNotPay to draft standard contracts or respond to basic legal inquiries without paying early attorney fees. In addition, the platform continuously updates its AI with new legal regulations, ensuring that the documents and letters you generate remain compliant. This ongoing support is a key differentiator compared to one-time DI forms or static templates. In conclusion, DoNotPay offers exceptional value for anyone looking to save time and money on routine legal matters. Per month, individuals and businesses gain access to a powerful AI toolkit that simplifies legal processes and reduces costs, making legal support more approachable than ever.